So I would love to start. Just imagine for a moment, guys. One of your family member is having stomach pain, and you went to a doctor to let him, to just for like a normal checkups. And that doctor has given you lots of, tests, so many tests, and you are just going through the test and test. Now, so many of you must have thinking, oh, what's the topic and what she's talking about? You can raise your hand if you are thinking like that. No, thank you so much. Okay. So, my thought on the education system is that if we are not working on real education, what is the real education? Real education means purposeful education, where there is intention involved, good intention involved. If there is no good intention, that means that is not a real education. Why? If you are becoming doctor and you are sending your patient for lots of tests, which is not required, just to just to grab money from them, you are telling them to do this test, that test. If you're an engineer and you are just wasting government's money and making bridges and houses which are not worthful, if you are a politician and you are not thinking about your society, your whole own country, if you are being any advocate and you are not thinking about the real people, how to solve their issues, and just thinking how can I make money from them, then just note this, guys. Your education is not a real education. Your education is just a piece of paper for me. It's just a piece of paper. It's nothing more than that. So, guys, the real education involves real purpose, real intention to work for society, intention to work for country. And just because of that, we saw this condition, that 2-3 times NEET paper failed. Why? Because they don't have good intention. They are not working for people. They're just working for themselves. And because of that, we saw this. How many of you know Sonam Wangchuk? How many of you know about him? How many of you really respect Sonam Wangchuk? Please raise your hand. Why you respect him? Just because he's an educated people? Just because of that you respect him? No, because you know that he is a good human being. He really worked for his country. He really did so many good things for his country. Because of that, each and every person respect him. Not because just he's educated people. No. So guys, that is the most important thing we need to think about. That how our new generation is going, in which line, which direction, just to make money. Education is just a piece of paper or degree. No, there should be a purpose. There should be a thought that how can I serve my country? I remember, I would like to share one story. If you have time, can you raise your hand if you want to listen to this story? Okay, so I was a new joinee in my office, and I just, went in my room, my CEO's room, and what he called me, "Hey, ladki idhar aa." He called me, "Hey, ladki idhar aa." He has the degree of MSc. I had the degree of civil engineer. But just because he passed one exam, he got this authority to call me a ladki. I was shocked, but I was a new joinee. I had no answer. And that time I realized he was educated, but he was illegally educated. He did not have sense, manners. So his education is nothing for me, because he don't know how to respect women, how to behave with women. So that's what I really want to grab all of your attention into. That what is real education is. What the real education is. To behave, to have good manners. And guys, if you are not working on it, if you are not, you are not making your focus on this direction, you will definitely see this NEET paper leak again. You are definitely going to see this Jantar Mantar protest again. You're definitely going to see this whole incident again and again. And this time maybe you are seeing this incident with other people, but next time it's your turn is coming. Your own turn is coming. Your own children's and your own family member is going to protest. So this is the right time to take action, to take real good action, and tell your tell your people, your children, your family members that what real education is. Otherwise, it's my humble request also, and I'm telling with my perception that you are going to suffer a lot with this kind of if you don't have a proper intention for our education system, you are definitely going to suffer because of this kind of leaders. Thanks for listening me carefully.
Talia, let's have big hand for Kavita.